Hello friends, welcome to IT Hub Technology Tutorials. In last few months, I got some requests to reduce disk size on the VMs in VMware environment. It is bit critical process, and with a small mistake you can lose your data on the target disk. You must take a backup of this disk and be careful while doing this process. Let's have a look on VM configuration. So we have test VM01 which has two disks 32 GB and 40 GB. 32 GB disk 1 it is operating system disk, and the disk 2 it is as a D drive in the VM. The first step is shrink the volume to required size in the operating system in the guest OS. So here we can see we have two disks, and we will reduce the size, we will shrink the size of disk 1 which is D drive. So let's shrink the size, shrink. We will shrink the size with 10 GB, so we need to put in bytes. Okay, now you can see we have 10 GB unallocated space here. Shut down the VM. Once the shrink is done, shut down the VM. It is down now. Yes. Now connect the host on SSH where this VM is exist, and go to the data store where all the files for VM for this particular VM is present. Cd VMFS volumes data store 1 in the machine net. Now we have some files here. We need only vmdk file, so we will just short with the vmdk only. We have four files here. Two are vm name and .vmdk with the sequence number. This is the second disk, and without any sequence number it is the first disk, and same as flat.vmdk. vmname.vmdk or vmname underscore sequence number.vmdk, these are the descriptor files. These are not actual disk files. Flat.vmdk, these are the actual disks, you can say data disks. So these files have only the configuration part for this disk. So let's have a look inside it. Get test underscore one dot vmdk. This is the file where we need to make the change for D drive. So here are some configurations inside it, and extend description. This is the section where we need to make the changes. So first we should know about these about this information. RW, which denote the operation type. It is read and write both. Second one, it is the block size for the disk. Third one is the data store file system type. and this is the file name which tells the system to the disk file. This is the disk file as we saw here, so it points to this file. So this is the configuration. Now to make the changes in the size of the disk, we need to make the changes here. To shrink the disk, we need to understand these blocks. How these blocks are calculated? It is 512 bytes blocks, and convert the total size of disk to bytes and divide by 512. Let's have in the Excel, like we have 40 GB disk, and if we convert it to the bytes, we will get this value. And when we divide this value with 512, which is the block size, then we will get these number of blocks. You can see the same number of blocks are here. And when we need to reduce the size, first we should know how much size we are reducing. So we are reducing 10 GB, and the value for 10 GB in blocks, which is this. We will minus this value from the total number of existing value, existing blocks, and we will put the remaining blocks in place of these number of blocks. So we will edit the file here, and we will change this value to the remaining blocks. We will just copy this value as a text and remove these blocks, paste the value here. Okay, okay. Now save and quit from the file. Let's have a look once again. Previously it was this value, and now we have the value changed. Okay, that's it at the SSH connection. Now go to VM, and the next step is migrate the storage for this VM. Right now it's on data store 1. We are migrating it to data store 2. Next, finish. It will take some time, so have to wait till then. Now the migration is completed. We can see here the size of the disk is reduced. Let's start the VM. Okay. VM is started. Let's have a look on drives. It is showing around 30 GB. Go to disk management. Now previously we had 10 GB unallocated space. Now you can see there is no unallocated space, and the size of the disk is 29.98. It is about 30 GB. So we have successfully shrink the partition, shrink the disk, and all the data is there. Nothing bad happened with the data. So that's it. Please comment on the video with your feedback. Like the video, click on bell icon so that you can get my new videos. Thanks for watching.